Okay, so I will be going to discuss the 6 pillars of our advocacy here in Kalupunang Mananaliksik at Mamamahayag ng Pilipinas Inc. or KAMPI for brevity. So, we call it in wikang Tagalog as kaanib. And K stands for kapatiran. The first A stands for aktibong serbisyo sa komunidad. The second A is aksyon na may integridad. Letter N is nagmamalasakit sa kaligtasan. Letter I is interes at kapakanan ng mga kasapi. And letter B, which is the last one, stands for bantay kalikasan. So, that is kaanib. And now, in kapatiran, as we know, ang kapatiran is brotherhood. We have a system here about tulungan or damayan system to include the cash gift being given to any member of the association, just to show to our members or in our group that we are promoting or religiously doing the spirit of brotherhood. No, apart from this initiative, we will be conducting also outreach program to show the community or other people about this kapatiran. And there are so many ways to do it. It depends upon the program to be facilitated or initiated by the assigned chapter mayor. So that is the first one. The second one is the aktibong serbisyo sa komunidad. Again, our group will be doing active participation in the community by initiating some programs. So the common is again outreach programs, just to help the community and its people. The number 3 advocacy is the aksyon na may integridad. So here in Kampi, we have our bylaws being mandated, and it was approved by the board and its national officers. And any member, before accepting its membership, certificate of membership, must undergo a orientation from the chapter mayors or from the any officer in the national group. The basic purpose of this is so that the member may know all the operational system that he or she needs to follow while inside the organization. This is very important to show our members and even outside members the moral ascendancy or integrity, which is very important, especially the officers to do. Because it is important also that any members must know his limitations and boundaries so that he can perform the proper action according to the established rules and regulations. So, the number 4 is nagmamalasakit sa kaligtasan. So, in the national group, we were able to design some security and safety measures or systems to be implemented by our chapter mayors. Although some of it are crucial and it is not necessary to disclose here. Anyway, the chapter leaders or mayors will be the one to determine what are the fit systems to be implemented within their chapter. Because, of course, this will depend on the current situation within their respective community. Anyway, the important things to remember here in Nagmamalasakit sa Kaligtasan is our group is anti-criminality and anti-corruption. And there are so many ways to counter those. So again, perhaps it's not appropriate to disclose it in public for security and safety reasons. So now, let us discuss letter I, which is interest at kapakanan ng mga kasapi. Here in Campi, our priority is our members. Although this organization designed to help the government and its people, we cannot hide our intention or main purpose to help each other. So our focus is to help our members to uplift their living to the best of we can. And again, we have so many ways to do it, and it depends with our chapter leaders to do so. What we can do is just to check those systems to be implemented, to supervise if it is implemented in proper way, according to our bylaws. So that's the first thing what we can do. So and now the last one is bantay kalikasan. So we will definitely facilitate this by promoting awareness within our organization. But of course, not only in our organization. We will promote environmental awareness to everybody. And again, there are so many ways to do that. Our national officers were committed to do so, and even in online campaign for that matter. And of course, we will act as guardians of our environment. So definitely we will do that. Okay, so those are the simple explanations of our advocacy. So I hope that our members in the organization will definitely understand this, and of course it is very important for them to adapt and implemented or implement properly according to our existing rules and regulations that are mandated in our handbook. Okay, so that is kaanib